It's $12.59, which is not bad.
Samsung.
And it's
Ain't that bad.
And it's the pull-out jar. And
And
it
it got
comes with ice makers.
Got an ice maker.
It creates two different ice, the ice bites and the cube ice. So this is nice for $1,300. Y'all better hurry up and get it.
Yeah, these refrigerators don't last. They got all the little sections in them.
This is pretty nice. Was $2,000, 40% off. Here. This one here is $1,500, was $3,000. See, I'm trying to see if it makes crushed ice and cubed ice. Pretty big on the inside.
It's not that far. Stop.
They got it on, so it definitely gets cold.